Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to start another series which is Learn Tkinter or Tkinter. For those of you guys who don't know what is Tkinter, it is basically a module that is used for creating GUIs or graphical user interface. You don't have to download it from any website or pip, you just have to write from Tkinter import star. That will import everything that is included in Tkinter module or Tkinter folder. Now I will write root equals capital T and K and empty parenthesis. After leaving some lines, I will write root dot main loop empty parenthesis again. Run the code. An empty window has appeared. Its minimize button is working perfectly, maximize button is also working great, and close button is working fine. Now anything that I will write in these two lines will be included in the empty window. So let me create a variable L equals to label and label with capital L, empty parenthesis, and if I want to change the text, I will write in the parenthesis text equals to quotation marks and hello world. Now I have to pack it. L.pack and empty parenthesis. So label is created. Now I will pack it in the window. Now you can see hello world is appeared here, but it is too small. Let me change the font. So I will write font equals in the parentheses Calibri, 30. Now you can see the text has appeared with a greater font. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next tutorial.